Future jobs. Through imagination, we not only bring to mind things that we have experienced, but things that we have never experienced. I'm not here to share my thoughts on imagination related to things, but I wish to share my thoughts for future jobs. Hi everyone, I'm Kavish Girani, I'm 12. I wonder what kind of job will I have to go on 14th of April 2034. If you are a parent, have you ever indulged? What kind of job will your child have to do from 15 years from now? In the current scenario, we kids go to school. The school teaches us skills that were used way back on 1980s, or skills that is currently helping us with jobs. Everybody is trying to explore and figure out ways so that the kids can learn different skills that would be useful in the future. But do we really understand the jobs then? Well, here comes my imagination. I'm not an Einstein or Ken Robinson for sure. I wonder future jobs will be more automated jobs and more updated things in the world. The robots known as R2 and D2 are put in work to carry shelves from one place to another around the warehouses, which means that there will be less jobs for those who are carrying the racks from one place to another. The cars are driving themselves now, so there will be a reduction in truck drivers. So, hence there will be fewer jobs in the current environment, and more robots than humans would be controlling the whole world. The world is coming up with new machines for particular responsibilities. And the robot software has been developed. They have become much brilliant. They understand, they talk, and they answer. Now I want to share with you all my recent experience. I had taken part in MISA competition, a science exhibition. I had made a model that's a segregating robot. At least that was the name we called our model. The robot was specially designated for the specially abled people. This would help jobs for in the supermarket. The robot would have a color sensor. One person has to scan it and the robot would segregate it. To sum it up, we didn't get a prize, but it was a good experience. Well, this was a short summary just to explain you all that we all are making the future robots right now. So what we all will do in the future? In my opinion, school should teach skills that would be useful for our future jobs, and also called as 21st century job skills. Now be it an artist, data analyst, or a technician, your child should know computer skills, storytelling skills, and presentation skills. Don't let them withdraw their surfing research. Help them to learn it. All I ask in future or today, do the best work in your entire life, where everybody will stand with you. Because time is limited. Don't waste it by living somebody else's life. The world is in the hands of kids, not adults. So what they want to do, let them do in their future. The world will be and would be in the hands of the mighty kids. Thank you.